Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off ads notifications. First, access your device's main settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Next, locate the Apps and Notifications or simply Notifications section. From there, you'll need to identify the specific applications that are sending you those unwanted ad notifications. This initial step is crucial for managing your notification preferences effectively across your device. For Android users, once you've found the problematic app, tap on its app info. Then, select Notifications. Here, you can often toggle off Allow Notifications entirely or disable specific categories like promotional or ads. If the ads persist, consider blocking all notifications from that particular app. This gives you granular control over what alerts you receive, ensuring a quieter experience. If you're on an iOS device, begin by opening your Settings app and then tapping on Notifications. Scroll down the list to find the specific application you wish to manage. Once selected, you can simply turn off Allow Notifications completely. Alternatively, customize the alert styles, sounds, and badge icons to minimize disruption. This method provides a straightforward way to regain control over your app alerts. Beyond app notifications, many ad alerts come from web browsers. To stop these, open your browser settings, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Navigate to Privacy and Security or Site Settings. Look for notifications, and you'll see a list of websites. You can remove or block any unwanted sites from sending you push notifications. This helps silence those persistent pop-up ads from your browsing experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.